Welcome to West Green. Steve here. Well, I've been pretty busy, but I'm in a bit of a stuck at the moment. How'd you like my bridge? Brilliant, isn't it? I drank the bottle in there. It's a bottle of Gibson Shiraz. Very nice. So far I've been working on profile boards at the front. These got to be painted. I've profiled up here. I extended my loading dock. An embankment. The thing I've got to do at the moment is grass this all the way down there. I've got to extend the road here, put some cuts across there, up to there, platforms to build. But I've been having a go at this static grass. I had a go today. It wasn't too successful. It was homemade. Anyway, it's a learning curve. I built this. This has got there's just a little box in there, static negative ion generator. Puts it about 15k on 12 volts. I put a little an Australian bloke showed you how to build this. His name's Luke Tower, and I'll put a link to his website. This is just plumbing pipe. That's a container you get from a supermarket. I cut the top off, put a grill in it. That was what do they call it? I bought a sieve, a strainer, that's it. So this will work off 12 volt, there's a battery in there, 9 volt, or I've got this 2.5 mil plug pack socket. When you plug it in, disconnects the battery, makes it work off 12 volts. But I had a go at making my own static grass. I think I'm going to have to buy some commercial stuff and see how I go. I want to do all along here, it's got to look unloved. I mean, no one's going to push a lawnmower up there, are they? I'm going to put grass there. So, there's so many little bits to do, big bits and small bits, people to put down. Got a little Morris Minor, I've got to do a coal yard, platforms. But at the moment, I can continue on ballasting. But I want to learn about this static grass. I want to know how to get success. Yeah, I must say I do like the look in my shed. Look at that. That's pretty neat in there. Very nice. Look at the water down there. Shining off there. Anyway, that's it from West Green, and oh bloody hell, his fat accent. Stay tuned. Let me know about static grass. I'm no wizard.